Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In today's neighborhood tour, we'll visit the Lakewood neighborhood on the western edge of the city of New Orleans. You can see the neighborhood layout on the map as defined by the New Orleans City Planning Commission. As you can see, the neighborhood is cut in half by railroad tracks. The city-designated boundaries extend south to include a neighborhood off of Metairie Road, as well as Longview House and Gardens in the New Orleans Country Club. However, residents refer to the section in yellow as Lakewood North and the section in green as Lakewood South, so I'm uncertain if the streets south of the railroad track are even considered to be part of the neighborhood by local residents. We'll start our drive at Metairie Road and Fairway Drive. While we covered this small area of 3 streets, we didn't get any video south of Metairie Road because there really aren't any public streets in that section. This area is sandwiched between Metairie Cemetery to the east, the 17th Street Canal, which serves as the Orleans-Jefferson Parish line to the west, the railroad tracks to the north, and Metairie Road to the south. Because of this arrangement, it's probably extremely rare for someone like me to drive these streets without an actual destination somewhere within this section. This is the oldest publicly accessible part of the Lakewood neighborhood, developed around 1950. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. Now we turn onto Metairie Road and begin our trek to the rest of the neighborhood. You can catch a glimpse of the large homes on the south side of Metairie Road, an area accessed by a private street called Garden Lane. The Longview House and Gardens, an early 20th century mansion, lies behind this group of houses. We'll speed up the video while we drive to the northern portion of Lakewood. We pass Metairie Cemetery on the left and cross under the railroad tracks, and then pass Lake Lawn Park Cemetery on the north side of the tracks. We're now in what residents call Lakewood South, as seen on the wall on the left at the corner of Academy Drive and Country Club Drive. This portion of the neighborhood was built on the former site of the Lakewood Country Club, which was cut in half by the construction of I-10 and I-610 in the mid-1960s. The golf course became the Lakewood North and Lakewood South subdivisions. The clubhouse, which was just to the left, remained and became the home of New Orleans Academy. When New Orleans Academy was closed, the building was demolished and a Latter-day Saints church was built. However, during Hurricane Katrina, the church suffered major damage from flooding, and the land was sold for residential development. The homes you see in this section were developed in the late 1960s. The lots measure from 60 to 85 feet across and 115 to 200 feet deep, making room for large homes of 3,000 to 6,000 square feet. The average home has 4 to 5 bedrooms and 2.5 to 3 baths. Homes for sale in this neighborhood range from $625,000 to $1.25 million. This neighborhood is partially visible from I-10, but it's not evident how to get to it, meaning there's very little through traffic. It's possible to cut through the neighborhood on Academy Drive and Fleur-de-Lis Drive, but it's such a convoluted route that it wouldn't be considered a shortcut. Once again, the residential streets in the neighborhood probably don't see much traffic that isn't local residents. Here we transition from Lakewood South to Lakewood North by passing under I-10. The west side of this subdivision is much like Lakewood South, while the east side includes some rental townhomes. Homes for sale in Lakewood North have an asking price ranging from $445,000 to $739,000. At the curve ahead, the street is signed and shows on maps as Veterans Highway. Veterans Memorial Boulevard, which is the northern border of the Lakewood neighborhood, was originally called Veterans Highway, and this street functioned as a frontage road that curved around the back of the old State Police Troop B building just ahead. We conclude our neighborhood tour here back at I-10. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.